Amazon FBA is changing, and if you're not transitioning to wholesale, then you're going to be getting far left behind. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to source Amazon wholesale catalogs so that you can find profitable products for your Amazon wholesale business. If you don't know me, my name is Dyson now, and I've sold over $1.3 million in the past 12 months by selling wholesale products on Amazon. To do this, I work with both brands and distributors to buy products in bulk and resell on their platform. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I source a catalog to find those products and how you can do this yourself. If you're interested in my free Amazon selling guides, make sure to check the free playlist that I have linked below to get started on your very beginning of your Amazon journey. But besides that, let's get into sourcing wholesale catalogs. All right, so right here, I have a fresh wholesale catalog that one of my distributors just sent to me of a brand new product that they are now adding to their catalog. So they sent this over to me and asked, was I interested? The first thing you see is we have our name brand up in the top. It shows our style number, our color, our size of the particular product. As you see, there's a couple of different sizes in here. This is 5.1, while this is 6.5. The style description, price of each product, the quantity that they currently have available. And to be honest, if we need to get more, they can always get more, and the total price of what it all is. So to do this, and especially when I'm getting a full brand from a distributor, what I like to do is go ahead and search this brand up inside of this tool right here called Smart Scout. I go to the brands category and I simply just go ahead and search up the brand inside of Smart Scout so I can get the best sellers, only good products of this catalog. Now, mind you, this isn't a very large catalog, so I am going to manual source this, but let's go ahead and pull up Smart Scout for wholesale because it does all the work for us. So all we do here is type in Diptyque. Here we go. Diptyque Beauty and Personal Care right here, doing over $117,000 in estimated monthly revenue. That's crazy. Average sale price is $125 with an average of 2 FBA sellers. Dominant seller is Verisure. Let's go ahead and click into the brand. So one thing we do see is this brand does currently have a 5.3 brand score. Didn't move my camera, so that can be worked on. And obviously, if our distributor is sending us a catalog of their products, that means that our distributor is working directly with this brand. And because I have a great relationship with this distributor, they've actually led me to the point where I've worked exclusively with a brand. Now, I'm not going to get ahead of myself here. I'm not going to jump too far ahead, but that always is a possibility when it comes to Amazon wholesale, landing a brand direct account. That's where you want to be eventually. But here, now we're going to go to our products tab right here in Smart Scout. We'll go ahead and filter by my estimated monthly units sold. I want the most amount of units sold to see what the best product is. Right here, let's say this Diptyque base candle. Right here, we see this Diptyque base candle selling for $70, $69.99. It's like normal base 5.6 ounce. You see the standard capital base 5.1, 6.5 ounce. So that's 6.5, correct? Cheap base candle. Candle base 44.15. Our seller at 44.15. Here we're looking at 21% ROI, $9 profit, selling at $69.99. This person is FBM. So we here look at our Keepa chart. Our lowest price ever looks like $68.23 priced at FBA. Please move out the way. So we know worst case scenario selling this item right now in the past 3 months. Let's look at our year chart as well. It did drop all the way back here. Move my camera out the way. Had a lot of larger sellers, but these sellers dropped off. Amazon's on and off the listing, but that's no problem. This is like a safe play, and it's ripping with low competition. Only 6 other sellers on this listing. It's priced pretty high right now, a little volatile, but that's okay. With our seller snap repricer, we're going to be able to snag buy box and move on this. A lot of these sellers are selling out. This is a good product. 18% ROI, $8 profit. Definitely something I move on. Only thing we have to be careful of is glass. So I'd ask my distributor, how does this come case packed? How does it look? Make sure it's not going to break in shipment or transit. That's the only thing we're going to look out for. But besides that, this is profitable. So from here, I would now go and create another sheet. I title this leads. I go ahead and mark this right here green. We go ahead and copy this link, paste it right here. Then I copy and paste this line over to my next sheet, and I keep going. We know this product is profitable, and so go ahead and give you guys an estimate of how many I'd actually order. Let me follow through as if I was actually placing a purchase order for this for you guys. So 500 plus amount current sellers, 6 offers. Only have 3 FBA guys. This guy is FBM. Only has 2 left in stock. Is that correct? Okay, 14 left in stock. Niche Beauty Supplies. Let's come down here to my Keep. Look at my offers. See how many of these guys are actually ripping. Okay. Here he sends 100 in stock around April 10th. By May 1st, he sold out of 100, which is safe. Looking at these guys, these are 2 are FBA. The FBM guys I'm not really worried about because they're just not really big baller. So I'm comfortable looking at that. I'm comfortable buying 100 to 150 units of this on the higher side. Sending this in, I know it's going to sell. I know it's going to be profitable. That's a safe play. So come here down to leads, type, let's say 150 units. Let's go ahead and plug this into my seller app to see how much money we would make based on this calculation. So it's buying at 44.15. It should take us only 30 days to be able to sell 150 units with this current listing selling 500 plus. Mind you, 500 plus means anywhere from 500 to 600 sales a month. So take that in mind when it comes to selling on Amazon, and especially when you're buying those lower BSR products, maybe something from 0 to 49 sales a month. Sometimes people miss out on some gems, but besides the point, let's go down here to our quantity. Let's type in 150. If we were to buy this product, we would spend $6,622.50 on it. Overall, we do $10,234 in sales, making $1,203 in profit just on this one product. So I'd copy these numbers, take a screenshot of this. I'll go back and build my purchase order later on the actual invoicing spreadsheet. Now let's find capsule base. Let's just go back to Smart Scout products. See what's our next bestseller. I don't know if they gave us access to this product. Base room spray 5.1 ounce. Room spray base 5.1 ounce, $47.73, 100 units available. Mind you, they have 360 units on that top load. I might even go back, to be honest, thinking about it. I didn't think this first round was only 360 units quantity. With 500 sales a month, I don't know how many others on the market. I do a little more research, but I potentially would even buy this distributor out of stock to make sure I know other Amazon sellers would get their hands on these products, and I would be able to rip my products a little faster. Even if that did mean dumping just a little bit of ROI, just to move more volume and making sure that other Amazon sellers don't get their hands on this top product. Let's look at this capsule base now, or this other room spray base, $47.73. Honey, please go away. $47.73. This one is a little on the lower ROI side, so we would have to negotiate. We've got 8 offers, 300 plus sellers, $68.55. This one's a little more stable, it's looking like, so a little more of a safer play, to be honest. Do like that a little more, and it's what, 8% ROI, though. I'd have to negotiate 8%. I'd like to get to at least 15% on this listing with this stable buy box. So, you know what, $46.50. Keep $46, $45 from $47.73. That's not a crazy negotiate, especially if you pull all 100 units. They'll probably take that offer, to be honest. So you get that at 15% ROI. That's something that you always do. Like, it's 15% ROI. There's only 100 units. It's not the best item, but just by going ahead and buying all that item from a distributor, that further builds your relationship with this distributor, and it makes them want to work with you more, because why? You're obviously buying more products directly from them. So when you have an option or an opportunity to take a lower ROI item, but pull their whole entire inventory off their hands, you should. It helps them out. It helps you out. It makes you look better. And that's how I've been able to scale my business, because I purchase more than all the other Amazon sellers. Honestly, it's the only difference. But let's keep going. Diptyque back to spray. So I'd go ahead and purchase all 100 units. Scroll down here, $684. I'd spend $4,500. And that at least covers my shipping cost. So it's again, with this yellow, I have to negotiate this one. All right, let's go back to Smart Scout. What's our next bestseller? Our page scores were pretty low on this. We could definitely help this brand out, because even like looking at these listings, they could use a little bit of help. So I'm definitely going to ask for an intro to this brand. I can't lie. Here we have Diptyque, the Art of the Body Care Fresh Body Lotion. Let's go back to our spreadsheet. Fresh lotion for the body. We close out these other tabs. The Art of the Body, fresh lotion for the body. I'm assuming that's the same thing. $69.73, $42.61. I don't see anything else in the catalog. Let's see. 200 plus sales a month, 6 sellers. They only have 120 available. I probably wouldn't pull all of them, to be honest. $42.61. 27% ROI. 200 plus sales. Keep a chart. Smooth. 55.62 FBA. That's okay. It's a year-long chart. Yeah, that's okay. Look, you guys have to realize, anytime these sellers come on the listing, look, you're going to have to wait maybe a month, but the price always ends up coming back up. So I would never sell at a loss on any of these listings. So that does not scare me. Diptyque 42.61. 120 units. Honestly, I'm only buying. These guys don't have a lot of stock, though. Hold on. They don't have a lot of stock. Okay. You sure they aren't hiding their stock, though? He's priced at 74. He doesn't have the buy box. He's first seen 15 months ago. Yeah, I'll maybe buy 50 to 60 of these. Move that over to my leads channel now. And paste my Amazon link. Click off of that. So I want to purchase 60 units. All right. Now, for the rest of you guys, because I don't want to make this video too long, I don't want to source this whole entire catalog. Now we see that these products are profitable. I could obviously finish going through all these, and you guys watching this, I actually challenge you to actually maybe use this as a test. Find the leftover products yourself using Smart Scout. I have my referral link down below in the description where you can test it out for free. You can try to find these products. Same thing with SellerAmp and Keepa. I have a free month trial on SellerAmp, a free month trial on Keepa, I think 2 free months of Smart Scout. So check all the links in the description, test out the free months, and learn how to open these wholesale accounts. Now I'm going to show you guys how to finalize and fully finish off a purchase order. So how to build the PO and how we're going to fully build our invoice to be able to send back to our supplier, because we are going to end up negotiating a little bit of this and putting together a good order. So to finish off this invoice, we just go to Google, look up invoice creator, go to freeinvoicegenerator.com. So pretty much now in the top left, we're going to put from Dyson Allen, 123 Main Street. We're going to put our name, address, phone number, email, 703-798-4350. To be honest, guys, I recommend you just chat GPT almost at this point, this stuff. Like all the information you're going to need to put in here, but also just has a template. So pretty straightforward. 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas, number 5. Bill 2, the Teak, butchering this, the Teak. Now we're going to come in here and we are going to put our name, size of the product, how much we're ordering, and our cost. So go into our invoice generator. This is what I normally go ahead and split screen to make this a lot easier. We're ordering 360 units. We're ordering 150 units, priced at $44.15, $44.45, spending $6,000 there. This other one, we're going to order 100 units. 100 units priced at $47.73. I mean, that's when we wanted to negotiate the $45 on, so they update that pricing. I should have did that earlier. 45. That's why we have it in yellow, because when we negotiate this, so I'm actually going to highlight this in my email that I'm going to send to my distributor afterwards when I'm following up. I'm going to highlight that I changed the price on this item right here. Copy all this information over so that it's on the invoice. Don't want to miss anything or any discrepancies that may potentially come in the future. Added one more line item. We're going to add our final thing right here. First at $42.61, 120 units. Let's confirm exactly how many units we were ordering. We're only ordering 6 units of this, so not bad. Always double check how many you're ordering. But here on our invoice generator, you can see we can calculate our tax, 0% sales tax, because you guys should always be ordering, or especially whenever you're doing wholesale, you're going to have to be submitting your sales tax information form. So you're paying 0% sales tax, whatever your shipping is. Hopefully you're placing a large enough order where your distributor's probably giving you free shipping, or the order's so big that however much the shipping is doesn't really matter because the order is massive. So that's obviously the goal. Make sure you add in everything, hit download, fire this invoice PDF over to your distributor, and you have a wholesale order right there. But it's really not that hard, guys. And to be honest, I don't want anyone to overthink or get discouraged when it comes to Amazon wholesale, because it's a super simple business model and it's not too extensive. It's more of a pay-to-play game, more of a capital-intensive game, and a system and strategic-based game based on where you're finding your products, how you're finding them, and running all the operations and systems right so that you can get the cheapest, lowest cost to maximize your profits. Now, if you guys are interested in maximizing your profits and cutting the path to success when it comes to selling on Amazon, I do have a full Inner Circle mentorship program called Prime Profits. It's my Inner Circle community where me and my other 7-figure coaches work with you one-on-one to help you launch or scale your Amazon business. If you're someone who's already selling and trying to hit these next wholesale levels, brand direct levels, then apply for the link down in the description. You'll see a Calendly link below. Click that. We'll schedule a call, talk, see if we can help you scale your business. Only schedule that call if you're super serious and actually want to take this to the next level. If not, just continue to consume the free game that I have here on YouTube and scale your business yourself. And besides all that, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if this helped you in any sort of way, and I'll see you on the next one.